Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kim and I couldn't wait to make this video because a few months ago I made a video about my prediction how NIO could hit $30 a share by the end of the year, and on October 29th, 2020, which is only a few days ago, NIO just crossed over $30 a share. Matter of fact, it actually hit its 52-week high of $32.20. So in today's video, I'm going to cover two main reasons behind NIO's recent massive gain in stock price. But at the same time, I'm going to offer you guys my prediction of NIO stock price, what entry point you should get in. But remember, this is based on my research and my opinion. Remember to do your own research before you invest into any stocks, because as you know, it involves risk and you could lose money. And if you haven't noticed, year to date, NIO has gone up more than 600%, and over the last 12 months, it actually went up about 2,000%. So as you can see, this is a pretty high growth stock. So if you don't have high risk tolerant, I'd recommend staying away from this stock, or if you're a short-term investor, because with this recent massive gain, a lot of the big investor, they could just be taking their profit, and with those of us who are retail investor who don't have a lot of money, we could be the victim of this, because when a big investor, take their profit, when they sell their stock or some portion of their stock, it's gonna drive the stock down. So in the next couple of weeks, who knows, it could drop anywhere between 10 to 20%. Unless you're a long-term investor like myself, then I recommend you doing more research about this company and look at their financial and their business model. But when there's a major dip in the next couple months, that's when I recommend you guys should get in. Or if you're not sure, you can stay up to date by subscribing to this channel, because I post updates frequently. And if you like this video so far, go ahead and drop a like, as it really helps out my channel. Okay, back to the main reason why NIO stock went up. It is because NIO won government contract for vehicle supply. And according to Bazinga, recently NIO won a government contract to supply vehicles to Beijing Municipal Administrative Institution between 2020 and 2022. Quote, NIO is one of the 16 companies chosen to supply new energy vehicle that meet the emission standard of Beijing administrative region. If you guys remember, earlier this year, NIO was heavily backed by the Chinese government. Now I guess this is the perk. Now they're actually getting orders from the Chinese government themselves. This is very important because in the recent report from, I believe, Nikkei, anyways, the Japanese stock exchange, they're saying that China is phasing out their gas burning vehicles by 2035. So that is about 15 years from now. No wonder all these new EVs are entering the market, especially in China. And of course, Tesla is trying to get a piece of that pie as well. But NIO right now, I believe they're one of the leading EV maker in China, and they have great technology with the battery swapping station. And according to a recent article on CN Tech Post that I found a couple days ago, NIO is actually working on the second generation battery swapping station, which is expected to be operational next year, according to one of the NIO insiders. And this is pretty exciting news, because NIO is one of the companies that was able to provide battery swapping station that can swap battery in and out within 3 minutes. If they're working on this new technology of battery swapping station, I'm sure they can make it as fast, if not faster, than refueling. As you know, one of the main reasons why people hesitate to travel far is due to the length of battery charging with EV. So if this solves the problem, I'm sure more and more people will be inclined to buy NIO vehicles, therefore driving their production and revenue up. By the way, according to NIO's data, as of October 5th this year, 2020, their battery swap services has accumulated more than 1 million times. So yeah, I thought they would reach it by the end of the year, but I guess they able to reach it faster because of the demand of their vehicles. No wonder their stock price has been going up. The second reason why NIO has gone up, because in September 2020, they just shattered another record of monthly delivery of over 5,000 vehicles in 1 month, and this has not done before. Okay, so now for the price prediction in the next year or two, I believe NIO can easily reach 50 by 2021, and by 2022 or 2023, I believe they could reach 100. Again, I'm bullish on this company because I own NIO share. Again, this is my own personal opinion, and for those of you who do not have any NIO share and you want to get in, I don't recommend getting in right now. You should keep an eye on it, and if it drops under $25, for those of you who don't have any NIO share, I would definitely get in. And for me and those of you who have NIO share, I recommend holding on to it. And if NIO as part of your portfolio is too heavy or you have too much of NIO, I recommend taking some profit. Yeah, long term though, I'm bullish in this company, even their battery swapping station and their support with the Chinese government and the phasing out of, gas burning vehicle in China. I believe more and more people will adapt, and of course once this pandemic is over, hopefully soon within the next year or so, their production in their new factory in Hefei will be ready for prime time, and they would definitely have to keep up with the demand of this new market. I believe a lot of people will be buying more EV vehicles, and I actually had the opportunity to visit and see NIO car here in San Jose, and I was able to visit, and actually I get invited to see one of their new vehicle. I went there to see the NIO ES8. I took a little tour. If you want, I'll go ahead and post it here. But yeah, it looks pretty nice, and the one of the director at NIO, I believe she's part of the communication team and marketing team or something. She invited me to go inside once they have a new vehicle delivery, the EC6, that will be delivered, and that one will be operational, so I can actually go to the office and even get a test drive, hopefully. But again, in the US, NIO cars are not available yet, but I'm sure it will be coming soon, as NIO did mention, or the CEO of NIO did mention, that they are going international, starting with European market first, and again, hopefully the US market, because I'll be so excited to try out their car and test it out, and if I like it, probably buy one. Anyway, that's it for this video. Thank you guys for taking a few minutes of your day and watch my video, and don't forget to like and subscribe, as I will be posting more updates, and I appreciate your support, and I will see you in my next video.